In this video, I explain to you what ethics means and why it is important in our lives. You will learn how we can act right or wrong in certain situations. Ethics deals with the question of what is right and what is wrong. It helps us make moral decisions. It is about how we treat other people and the consequences of our actions. Ethics is an important part of our daily life and influences our values and norms. Morality is what a society considers right or wrong. It is shaped by cultural and social norms. Morality helps us find our way in society and take responsibility. It shows us how to behave correctly and fairly towards others. Taking responsibility means standing up for your actions. Every person carries responsibility for their decisions and their consequences. This applies to both personal and societal decisions. Responsibility shows how much we should care about the welfare of others. Justice means giving all people the same rights and opportunities. It ensures that everyone is treated fairly. In a just society, inequalities are recognized and balanced. Justice helps us avoid conflicts and promote coexistence. The Golden Rule states, "Treat others the way you want to be treated." This rule is an important part of ethics. It calls on us to show empathy and respect for others. By following this rule, we improve our interactions. Right and wrong are concepts that help us make moral decisions. What is perceived as wrong is often linked to negative consequences. Right is seen as just and fair, while wrong can cause suffering or harm. It is important to recognize the difference and act responsibly. An ethical dilemma arises when one must choose between two morally difficult decisions. In such situations, there is no simple answer. Often we must weigh which decision has fewer negative consequences. Ethical dilemmas require deep thinking and weighing of values. In society, ethics is applied in many areas, such as politics, medicine, or economics. These areas influence our daily life and often affect our moral choices. Ethics helps us make these decisions with a broader view of the common good. It ensures that we treat each other well as a society. In everyday life, we often face ethical questions. For example, we ask ourselves whether we should be honest, or if it is okay to tell a lie. Such questions are not always easy to answer, but they show us how important it is to be aware of the consequences of our actions.